Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I am doing a sticker haul video with all of the sticker orders I've placed in the last few weeks, and also I've ordered a couple extra things too that I'm going to show you guys. I don't have a very large sticker budget, so most of these orders are pretty small, but I have been ordering some stuff recently, so I thought I'd show it to you guys and just kind of show the stuff that I'm using right now. So first thing I'm going to show you is I got the HP sprocket. I turned it on, that's why the light's on. And I love this little thing. It works great. I can actually show you guys really quick how it works. So I got this case off Amazon. It was like $8, super cheap, but I like it. It's kind of nice just to kind of keep it separate because this just seems so fragile. So I'm like, I'm going to keep this protected. So essentially how it works is you turn it on and then you download the app. So I'm in the app now. I select the picture that I want to print and then I can crop it if I need to. And then I just hit print. So I let that print out. It does take not a few minutes, but it takes a hot second because it is, again, it's a small printer. Like, it's nothing crazy. The pictures are also like, they're not perfect. Like, the color is just, it's not a super vibrant color. So here are some of them that I've printed out before, but I think they're great. I think they are, just exactly what I need. I don't need super high quality, perfect pictures. I don't know if you can hear it. It's working hard. Look, here it comes. I don't need super high quality pictures in my planner. Like, I just like them just to have, just some little mementos that are from my day. So I'm going to put this in for today, for 4th of July, because we went swimming this morning at our neighborhood pool. Ta-da! It's done. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so that's one of the things I bought. Okay, I'm gonna leave this picture here because another thing that I bought this off Amazon as well, is this Work Lion paper cutter. So I noticed when I was trying to cut the pictures to be able to put them in my planner, they're just slightly too wide and they're also very long for my planner. Now I know I can print, like if I wanna print multiple pictures at once, I can print them together on the same page. But since I didn't do that today, I'm going to cut this. And when I was using scissors, it was like crazy crooked. So I'm just going to use this guy, and I think it's perfect. I can center it up on here, make sure everything is nice and even and is going to cut straight. Boop. Perfect. And then I'm just going to cut down the sides just a smidge because, again, it is just slightly too wide for the planner and it just doesn't quite fit in there the way I want it to without it like going across to the other days, the other, columns. Okay, so line this up. Oop. I didn't hold that steady very good, but that's okay. So this side turned out a little crooked. Okay, so now that this is done, what I will do is I will peel off the back and then I'll just stick it right in my planner. So here's my planner. I'm going to kind of squeeze it in down here so I won't mark my steps for the day. Cool. And now I have a little picture in my planner to kind of help with memory keeping because I like to look at my planners from previous years. Okay, so there is that. And just an FYI, I'll try and put the links to the printer and the paper cutter in my description. So let's see. So let's do my Cricut Paper Co. order. So I actually ended up doing 2 orders because she released these sticker books. And I was like, well, I need one of these. Because before what I was doing was I was using a planner Kate, like an empty from one of the samplers, and I would take all the extra stuff off of it, and then I was using that inside a page protector to store all my extra stickers. But she released these, And so I could put all of my extras in this book and try and organize them in here. So I got this. And then I did another order too, where she was given good freebies. And so now I don't remember which order was which. So I'm just going to show you all the stuff I got. So this was one of the freebies I got from that order. She was having a sale. And it's a little sticky note with, look, it's all watermelons, but they're little Mickey Mouse ears and cool coffee cup. Then I got these eggplant emoji stickers. We can kind of insinuate what I'm going to be tracking with these. Wink, wink. I got some date dots here. Nothing crazy about those. And then I got 2 kits from her. So the first one is the Tropicool kit. Ooh, that's a hard one. Tropicool kit. And I got the mini kit. And then I also got the washi and date covers add-on. So here's the add-on here. And then this is the mini kit. And I love this kit. It's so summery. I think I'm actually going to use this kit this week for my plan with me. This video is coming up after I do my plan with me. So if I didn't use this kit on my plan with me that I posted a few days ago, then whoops, looks like I changed my mind. But as of right now, I'm planning on using this kit for my plan with me. And I just love it. I love the colors. It's perfect. And then the next kit I got is this Monsters Inc. kit. It's called Scare School. I got this one plus the washi and date covers because I really like having washi on the bottom of my planner and on the top too. So I had to get this extra one. And it's the mini kit again. So we got the fun decorative boxes and the weekend sticker and some habit tracker boxes and just a bunch of other functional boxes. And so there you have it. That was my Cricut Paper Co. order. I don't think I spent more than $25 on all of these. The sticker book was $12. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so there's Cricut Paper Co. Okay, so the next order I got is a Scribble Prints Co. order, and this is actually my first order with this company. Let me take it out of the packaging here. Okay, so I only did this order actually because I had seen that Once More with Love was doing a collab with them, and they were doing a collab for these vinyl sticker die cuts, and all of the proceeds from this were going towards the Trevor Project, which is a great program. So the Trevor Project is a 24-hour toll-free confidential suicide hotline for LGBTQ youth, and it really excited me that this company was going to be donating their proceeds to them because I really like the Trevor Project. So I was like, well, heck yes, I'm going to order some stickers. So I ordered my first batch of stickers. So I ordered 6 of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I'm going to find a use for them. What was cool about this order is actually a lot of stuff came with it. So it came with this journaling card, which was really cool. These girls on here are gorgeous. And then just a couple freebies here, Juneteenth and a Black Lives Matter script on here, which is nice. I'm gonna use this to put Juneteenth in my next planner, which will be nice. And then another freebie here, another freebie here. Very shiny. And then this is one I ordered. It says film, edit, and upload on it. And I was like, well, that's kind of cool. So I was like, yeah, I'll try this company out. So yeah, so this is my very, very baby order from Scribble Prints Co. But I'm happy with it. I'm not a huge like shiny holographic kind of stickers. So I'll be honest, I'm not sure if I will order from them again. Unless they do another one of these, then obviously I will because I'm all for that. I'm all for donating to worthwhile charities. So there's that. And then, let's see, I did a Planner Kate order as well. This one is super small. I needed some more, honestly, the main reason why I placed this order is for these. I needed some more weather icons, and I got the rain ones, but now I kind of wish I had gotten the storm ones instead, because we have more storms than we have just like rain here, but that's fine. And then I got these preschool stickers, honestly, in the hope that my daughter actually gets to start preschool this year. Obviously my son's gonna be in 1st grade, so I don't need like stickers for that because his school would be every day of the week, but preschool would not. So I'm really hoping I get to use these this year. And then I ordered a freebie sampler bag. So these are $2.50 on the website. Let me open this up. And I like getting these because it's just nice to replenish all my samplers. I usually order more than one, but this time I was like, okay, let's not get crazy. So we got some icon dots. We've got some, I think these are the budget stickers. And then it also had these boxes here, some font C scripts, which these are really pretty actually. I really like these. And then some dots, some payday flags, some of these scripts that are in the boxes already, some Doodle Girl samples, which I am all for, some of these hour slots, and some more script stickers. So that was a good one. And then the actual freebies that came with the package are these ones here, some more script stickers, one of the binder labels in here. So I'll probably put that on one of my binders. And then I love this. Look at these balloons. That is so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the colors. Okay, so I got that. And then some more boxes here. So yeah, that's my Planner Kate order. Very small. Again, I was just doing real small orders this time. Okay. My last thing is I got my first Once More with Love order. And I am so excited to show you guys this. So this came with it here, this journaling card. So cute. And then I ordered these pregnant munchkins for once I finally get pregnant with the surrogacy, once we're able to move forward with that. I thought these were real cute. I actually got 2 of them. I'm gonna give one to my friend once she is pregnant. She's actually trying to get pregnant right now. So I'm gonna give her one of these. Stephanie, if you're watching this video, spoiler alert. Just forget you saw this. And then I got these cute pool day ones, which these ones are really cute. A little hanging out by the pool, floaties, and swimming. I just love it. Because we're going to the pool a lot right now, so it'll be fun to have those. And then this one is Hot Summer, because I live in Texas and it is hotter than heck here. So I got these cute ones. And then when I placed my order, I put Super Oops or Oops in the description. So I got a Oops sheet. And they're cute. They're nail polishes and says Manny and Petty. The reason this is an oops is you can tell that it was, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it was cut too much. It was cut all the way through. But I don't care. I'll still use it. Oh, and this is a little freebie that came with it as well. So cute. And then I got this too, this pregnancy weekly milestone flags. Because I really like keeping track of these in the planner. I actually have another set of these from a different sticker company, and I'm going to use those in the monthly views, and then I'm going to put these ones in my weekly views because, I'll be honest, these are cuter. So I want these in the weekly. But look how cute. So like each week, the little munchkin has on her little belly pretty much what size the baby is in each of them. So you got the size of a banana. What is that? A tomato, an eggplant, an onion. So cute. I just love it. So that is it, you guys. That is my entire haul. I love ordering new stickers, but at this point, I think I'm kind of done ordering stickers for a while, unless one of the ones I use all the time, every week, runs out. But man, those aren't going to be running out for a while. So yeah, I'm excited. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys placed any orders recently? What have you gotten in the mail? If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out Plan With Me videos every Monday, and then I try and put out a bonus video as often as I can. And yeah, it's real great talking to you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.